G'day everyone, Ian Fegan here, also known as Professor Shoelace. Today's video is how to tie the decorative knot that appears on moccasins and slippers. Now, unlike most other knots, this one has the two loops, but both loose ends are draped neatly towards the front of the knot, towards the toe end in other words, whereas a regular shoelace knot will tend to have one end forwards and the other end backwards. Now I'll demonstrate how this is tied. Just untie it. And you'll find that most moccasins have one loose end that's a bit longer than the other. This one, you can see the right end is continuing further that way, so that's the long end. This one's the short end. So we create a loop with the short end facing out the opposite way, in other words to the right. The long end wraps around that loop, going from front to back, and then that loose end continues underneath the knot and back out to the front. Now the final step is to tie this loose end around the top part of that loop. So we just simply go around the back and make an overhand knot there. So we've gone around and under to make an overhand knot, and we're finishing up effectively having created a noose over the top of this loop. And to tighten, we hold this loose end plus the top of that loop together with one hand, hold this loop with the other hand and pull tight. And a little bit of adjusting to get all the ends the correct length, and there's your finished knot. You've got both loose ends towards the front and both loops towards the back. That's it. If you want more detailed instructions and diagrams, you can find them in the moccasin knot on Ian's Shoelace site.